coming back to my channel for another video. So in this video, I want to tell you about how you can actually remove inquiries from your credit reports. And listen to this, it's only in 12 hours. So when I actually personally did it to my credit reports, it only took 4 hours for them to remove from my credit reports. So I'm just guessing 12 hours they should be removed from yours. It took 4 hours for mine. Now keep this in mind, everybody's situation is different, but if you follow these steps, you should be able to get these inquiries removed from your credit reports. So the first thing I want you to do is, I want you to know what an inquiry is. Inquiry means that you ask a different company, you ask the company, hey, can I get credit from you guys? Can you lend me any money for anything that you may have wanted? If you wanted a credit card, you wanted a mortgage, you wanted a house. So you ask these companies, hey, can you lend me credit? But they say, okay, sure, I can think about lending you credit, but let me look at your credit. Now, every time you have these companies pull your credit, it's going to be a hard inquiry. Hard inquiries can drop your credit score 3 to 10 points. Now, when these inquiries hit your credit reports, these inquiries hit, it's going to drop your credit score. So I always tell my clients, listen, you want to get those inquiries removed from your credit reports immediately, because if you want to go for business funding or any type of business lending, they don't want you to have many inquiries or any inquiries at all. So let me tell you the different tricks I want you to do. I want you to first get your credit reports. So if you look down in the description, I have a link where you can get your credit reports for just $1 for the first 7 days. Like I said, it's just the first 7 days. After that, they're going to say $21.99. So make sure, if you don't want to keep looking at your credit reports, you go ahead and cancel right away. Now, if you don't cancel right away, it's going to be $21.99. Let me make sure I tell you that again. Now, if you look all the way at the bottom of Identity IQ, you'll see all of your inquiries, and then they'll let you know the name of the company that is from, and I have a picture here, so they'll let you know the name of the company is from, and then too, which credit bureau it's from. I want you to look down in the description and get my 12-hour inquiry removal ebook. When you get that ebook, follow the rules, follow the different instructions that I have for you. Follow the different steps to actually get these accounts removed from your credit reports. Now remember too, these inquiries are just basically companies saying, hey, she said I can look at her credit, and that's why I'm putting the inquiry on the credit reports. They're going to drop your credit score 3 to 10 points. So we're assuming if you get these inquiries removed, your credit score should go up. And remember too, if you're trying to get any type of business loans, or if you're trying to get higher limit credit cards like Wells Fargo, Chase, you try to get American Express, they don't want to see many or any inquiries on your credit reports. So you want to get these inquiries removed. Now keep this in mind, if you have an account on your credit report, so say if you apply for Capital One and they gave you the credit card, do not go in and try to get these Capital One inquiries deleted from your credit reports, because if you go in and try to get these inquiries removed from your credit reports, it's going to really drop your credit score, because they're going to take that account off too. You do not want them to delete the account. So the thing is, if you go ahead and apply for the credit card and they're like, yeah, you're approved, we're going to send you a $10,000 credit card, you want to get the inquiry removed before that account hits your credit reports. Because if you go ahead and wait for the account to hit, they're going to delete the account. But if you get the inquiry removed right away, when that account pop on, it will be good. So go ahead, look in the description, and get my 12-hour inquiry removal ebook. When you get that book, follow the instructions. Make sure you get your credit reports so you can see where these inquiries are at, and then you can go ahead and work on getting these inquiries removed. Don't forget too, these steps are very easy. They got removed for me in 4 hours. I hope they get removed quickly for you, but I don't know how long it's going to take for you. So I figure 12 hours is like the maximum. Now, if for some reason you call later in the day, I call first thing in the morning. So I got these inquiries removed right away. So go ahead and follow these instructions. Do it first thing in the morning and you should be fine. But if you call later in the day, or if you work on getting these inquiries removed later in the day, then maybe it's going to wait and it's going to come off later on. Because usually they'll say, okay, it's going to take 24 to 48 hours. It's not necessarily going to take 24 to 48 hours if you call first thing in the morning. You can get this done right away. So look in the description, get my 12-hour ebook. I have the results here for you, the inquiries that got removed. And then on top of me having the results too, I have the actual link at the bottom that's going to tell you how to do it. So it's not me just saying it got done. I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself, or help your family member, whoever you want to help. So go ahead and follow these different things and let me know if you have any questions. So much for watching my video to the end. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so you can get a notification when I make a new video. Also, check out my website so you can get free stuff. It's free things on my website. Look in the description. We also have free things down there. Please make sure you leave a comment. Let me know anything you may want me to change. Like, hey, Rickita, I need this video coming next. Like, can you make a video about this? Can you make a video about that? Anything that you may want me to make a video about, please let me know. I also have 2 playlists here for you too. So I have a video that I think that you may be interested in. So go ahead and check that video out. And then I also have another video of different videos. Actually, I have another playlist of different videos that I think you may find very interesting. So please go ahead and check that out. And don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.